Officer Butler with the California Highway Patrol Headquarters Recruitment Unit.
And I'm Officer Sherrick.
And today we're going to do something pretty cool. We're going to check out fleet operations here in West Sacramento, right next to our CHP Academy. And what are we going to do today?
We're actually going to go take a tour of the facility, look at the assembly line, and meet with the staff.
That sounds pretty fun. Let's go check it out.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
Well, now that we're inside fleet operations, let's go talk to one of the auto technicians. Alvin, Officer Butler with the Recruitment Unit, thanks for having us.
Oh, not a problem. Nice to meet you.
Thank you. I heard you're like the go-to guy here.
Yeah, I'm one of them. There's a few of us.
It's a team effort, right?
Correct.
How long have you worked for the Highway Patrol?
About 6 years.
About 6 years now. And what's your like official classification, your title?
Auto Technician 2.
Auto Technician 2. Pretty cool job.
Yes.
Well, I can tell you, I really appreciate what you do. Is there anywhere else they go before they come to the line?
Yes, we have a proto shop on the other side where they proto the car, and then after it's done proto, they come on the line.
That's quite the process. Do you mind if we go check out one of your proto cars?
Let's go.
So now you've taken me over here to the proto shop. This is also called, or what's it better known as?
Production shop.
Production shop. I looked at the sticker before. It looks like it's a 2021 Ford Explorer, so we don't even have these out on the road yet for the Highway Patrol.
Correct.
So that's why it's in here. Can you tell me about that?
Yeah, proto area, we make our brackets. Each piece refabricated, and then they get sent out to be produced.
So we make a lot of the pieces ourselves here in-house. That's awesome. What else is going on with this car? Because I noticed all like the seats and stuff were tore out of it.
We pull them all out, and that way we can run our wires. It's all safe. When we put our seats back in, everything fits nicely and it looks like a regular car.
There's small differences because I know it's a new body style for this year. So,
and then we have the new system that's going in this one.
Oh yeah, that's right, the new radio systems that we're getting, which is pretty cool. Once this is done, we've had all the parts fabricated and it's ready to go. Then it's ready to hit the line, right?
Correct, yes.
And we can go to station number 1.
We'll go to station 101 and we'll take you through each one.
Let's go, station number
Alrighty.
1. Station 1, this is a Chevy Tahoe, so I guess some time ago it was put through pre-production, everything was fabbed up for it, it's ready, and now it's ready for assembly.
Correct.
So what happens here at station 1?
Station 1, before it comes in, it gets a car wash, and then it's put on the rack, do a pre-inspection, it's a pass-off pre-inspection, it goes on to station 2, where we start removing all the interior. Station 2, where you start taking all the interior out.
Officer Sherrick, what are you doing?
This car is not ready.
It's not going to be ready till station 11.
And then we also do deck light on top. After all of that's done, we go to station 3.
Let's go to station 3. Station 1, station 2, we're at 3. What happens at 3?
At station 3, we go ahead and drill holes for the antennas. What we do is we measure it on top into the roof, and we run our antenna wires that go through there, plus our GPS, your deck lights, and you can see inside here, all our antenna wires are all run through the sides where it's going to be all safely, nothing's going to happen to them on both sides. And then we reassemble the interior, the top ceiling part, and then we're off to station number 4.
1, 2, 3. Okay, station 4. What happens at station 4?
Stage 4, we prep the rear barrier to be installed. We start off with the barrier, we equip the barrier. After we equip it, we put it, install it, and we put the rear tray for the radio inside. And also we put the rear lights for visibility when the trunk is open. And then we're off to station 5.
Radios.
Yes, these are our radio trays for communication for the division where we go to.
This radio tray's got to be super heavy.
Yes. We use a hydraulic jack, as you can see right here. We back it up and slide it right into there.
Oh, that makes it easy.
Yes.
Very nice.
Put our trays in and we run our wires to the front of the vehicle and our battery cables.
And then on to station 6. Officer Sherrick.
Hey, Alvin. So here at station number 6, we're halfway through the assembly line. What do you actually do here?
This station, we do the spotlights. We adjust them, make sure they're working, and also reinstall the radar bracket and the radar display, plus wiring, just to make sure they all talk with the radio tray in the back and the officers know what's going on.
Station 7, this is kind of a fun part. We got to pop the hood, look at the V8. What goes on under here?
At this station, we run our wires from inside all the way to the engine bay. We installed our power fuse block and some of our relays so we can communicate with the tray in the back. A lot of our power comes out the battery.
Ton of wiring in these cars,
Correct.
huh?
Lots of wiring.
Alvin, station number 8, what's going on here? I see something new.
Yes, we installed the rear tray so the officers could put their equipment in the back and flares. Also, we put our gun lock in here. This is a safety item, make sure all their equipment is safe and locked.
Okay, station 9, it's getting pretty serious now. I can see our computer, keyboard, and radio.
Correct.
Can you tell me a little bit about it?
Yeah, this is our new system that we're going to. New different look to it. It's a little smaller, compact.
I noticed that, yeah. Yeah, it looks like a nice keyboard. It's got the radio head. Different way we're going to be using the lights now. So I like it. It looks pretty nice. It's pretty compact. And then the other thing that I really like that you guys have just made is this bad boy. You're going to probably wonder why I'm so excited about cup holders, but you know, before cup holders were kind of not really that common in our patrol cars, but now they are. I mean, they've even got you guys all made this yourself on the fab shop, right?
Yes, we had it ordered and we got them put on.
Excellent, that's cool. And so let's jump inside the car and see how it all mounts up.
Alrighty.
It's all mounted in here. It just didn't happen by accident, I guess.
Nope, we installed a new system in here. Everything's bolted down. The wiring's been all connected, and we go ahead and test each button, make sure everything's working, and coordinate with the lights, the sirens, and the whole package.
It's really starting to come together and look like an actual CHP patrol vehicle.
Correct.
And this was station 9 and on to 10. We're almost there. Station 10. Now she's really looking like a patrol car. Got the sticker on. This just doesn't happen by accident either.
No, these are carefully measured and centered, put on with no bubbles or anything. They're both put on both front doors and also one in the rear. And we do our safety service and security in the back.
Very cool. Well, let's go on. Let's finish it off. This is it, the end of the road before it hits the road. Station 11, what's going on here?
Correct. This one here, we do a final checkout, make sure everything's working, everything's clean, everything's all intact and ready to roll. So it's ready for the road. Here's your keys.
Sweet.
Thanks, Alvin.
Thanks, Alvin.
And now we're going to talk to somebody else on the assembly line to tell us a little bit more about the job. Hi, my name is Officer Sherrick.
Hello, I'm Sergio.
Nice to meet you.
Likewise.
So tell me, how did you get started with the California Highway Patrol?
Well, I apply online. I apply for the exam. Then they place you, they rank you, and then they start sending you employment requisitions, and then you can apply for the ones you want. I applied for El Cajon 680, helping the officers with flat tires and all the automotive needs, and then I transferred to Northern California.
And that's when you transferred here.
Yes.
Awesome. Your job position, what's your title?
Automotive technician 2.
As an automotive technician 2, how do you get that job? What were your qualifications?
Well, I had certifications and I have experience. I worked at dealerships before, so you gotta have a little bit of experience.
What did you do at the dealerships?
Service, maintenance, anything, install air conditioners, or just general.
So I heard you might have worked on emergency vehicles before though.
Yes.
Oh, you did?
I did, yes. I equipped some departments that were coming up for incorporated cities here in Sacramento. And I also work for an ambulance company.
Sergio, how long have you actually worked for California Highway Patrol?
About 4 years.
For 4 years, and in your 4 years, what is the best part of the job? What do you like the most?
Well, in Southern California, my favorite part was to drive the cars on the freeway, obviously. But here at Fleet Operations, my favorite part is when I put the star of the CHP on the car, because that's the seal of stamp, or the seal of getting the vehicle out, and it's gonna go to an officer and it's gonna be on the street.
Good, that sounds amazing. That probably is very rewarding. Well, you know what, it was really nice meeting you.
So can you fill me in on some other information? I've been kind of curious about fleet operations. Like, when did fleet operations make it to West Sacramento? When was this building pretty much in service?
1994.
1994, that's pretty cool. This whole team effort, when we're really busy, about how many patrol vehicles can you guys equip?
About 1,000, but average about 500.
1,000 a year, that's pretty intense. Do you know how many patrol vehicles we actually have out in service in the field?
Approximately 2,700.
Well, thanks for your time, Alvin.
Thank you.
As an officer, I know Officer Sherrick and I really appreciate all the hard work that you guys do here, making these patrol vehicles and making them safe for us and very well equipped. Thanks again. thanks to fleet operations, we have another fresh one off the line. Where's my partner at? Officer Sherrick. Hey, if you like this video and you're interested and you want more information, visit us at chpcareers.com. If you want more information about actually driving this vehicle as an officer, chpmadeformore.com.
Thanks for watching.
We're 10-8.